Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can swap the position of the elements inside of a Python list. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let's declare the variable something like fruits equals to, and then let's declare that as a list. So let's do apple and then do banana. Okay, all right. Now what I want to swap the places of the apple and the banana. So how we can do that? So let's print the fruits. Okay. All right. So we are getting apple and banana. So to swap these two values, we can just declare another third variable and do the swapping. But if you want to do it in place, Python has a shorter syntax for that. All right. So let's discuss about that. So you have to grab, first of all, the first elements, so fruits of 0, okay, comma, fruits of 1 equals to, what you have to do, you have to swap the positions. So fruits of 1 and then fruits of 0, okay. All right, so this is the syntax basically for swapping the values. If I just run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting banana first and then apple. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So in this way, we can swap the values of the list items in place of a Python list. Okay, all right. So this is how we can swap the elements in a Python list.